Hello kids. Let's learn some colors name. Brown color, dark blue color, purple color, orange color, red color, dark green color, yellow color, violet color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for bus. C. C for car. D. D for doll. E. E for elephant. F for flowers. G. G for grapes. H. H for hat. I for iron. J. J for jelly. K. K for kite. L. L for lollipop. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for ring. S. S for sheep. T. T for train. U. U for universe. V. V for vanilla. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.